Are you experiencing slow charging on your iPhone? Slow charging can be caused by several factors, such as issues with your charging cable, adapter, or even settings on your iPhone. Don't worry, this guide will help you troubleshoot and fix this issue of slow charging on your iPhone. Solution 1. Check your charging cable and adapter wrapped. Faulty or damaged cables and adapters can cause slow charging. Using non-certified chargers can also slow down charging speeds. Use Apple-certified chargers and cables to ensure proper power delivery. Try a different adapter or charge cable to see if the issue persists. Test with the 18, 20, or 25-watt adapter. This will boost your charging speed on iPhone. Solution 2. Clean the charging port. Sometimes dust, lint, or debris in the charging port can block the connection and cause slow charging. Turn off your iPhone before cleaning the charging port. Use a soft brush or compressed air to gently clean the port and remove any dirt or debris. Be careful not to damage the port while cleaning. Solution 3. Enable airplane mode while charging. When your iPhone is connected to the internet or receiving notifications, it can slow down charging speeds. Open settings on your iPhone. Toggle on airplane mode to disable wireless connections like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which can speed up charging. Leave your iPhone in airplane mode until it reaches the desired charge level. Solution 4. Close background apps and reduce usage. Background apps that are running while you charge your iPhone can drain power and cause slow charging. Swipe up from the bottom to view open apps. Swipe away any unnecessary apps to close them. Avoid using your iPhone for power-hungry tasks like gaming or streaming while charging. Solution 5. Turn off low power mode. While low power mode helps to extend battery life, it can also slow down the charging process. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap on battery. And if low power mode is enabled, toggle it off. Charging should speed up once low power mode is disabled. Solution 6. Check for iOS updates. Outdated software can cause various performance issues, including slow charging. Tap on General, then select Software Update. If there is an update available, install it to improve performance and fix charging issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of your iPhone charging slowly. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions.